Today we show how to use the remote control to operate the battery motor. First, we need to pair code with motor. Long press set button until the light is on. Turn on the switch, press P2 button. When the light is phases, it pairs code successfully. Then we can use remote control to control the motor. Then let's show the speed adjustment of motor. Hold open button and stop button for a few seconds. Then release them. The slider back and forth, speed up successfully. Hold stop button and close button for a few seconds. Then release them. The slider back and forth, speed down successfully. Then we show the how to change direction by remote control. Long press the motor set button until the light is on, release the button. Then press the stop button on the remote control. The light flashes twice. It changed the direction successfully. Last, we show how to restore factory setting. Long press the set button until the light is on. Release the button. Then long press the set button again. The light flashes 3 times then off. It decodes successfully.